said don't touch my chocolate. Don't eat my chocolate. Now tell me, who ate it? You think I don't see you? I can smell it. Someone ate it. Maybe you?
Good.
Okay, listen to me. Say, Mama. Yeah, very good. Say, Mama. Perfect, you talk. Again, Mama. Okay, I Mama too. Who drank the milk? You, white cats, you love milk. Look, cup empty, you guilty.
Mr. Parrot, check your
No
face.
proof.
Okay.
Maybe a little sip. Investigation closed.